In this step, we'll set up the phone number your client's Ava subaccount will use. You'll learn how to create a brand new number, import an existing Twilio number if needed, and assign it correctly to inbound agents or outbound campaigns. By the end, your number will be ready to use across all Ava projects. After adding your client's sub-account, you'll need to switch into it before setting up their phone number. You can do this in two ways. Either log out of your agency account and sign in directly using the client's email and password, or use the account switcher at the top of your Ava dashboard to jump into their sub-account instantly. Once you're in their account, you'll see the phone numbers tab in the left-hand menu. From here, you can begin setting up a number that's linked directly to your client's projects, agents, and campaigns. To begin, open the Ava homepage and go to the Phone Numbers tab. Click Set Up Phone Number on the top right corner of the screen. Choose whether you want to get a new number or import one from Twilio. If you're getting a new number, just select the country, either United States or Canada, then enter an area code that matches your client's target audience. This improves trust and pickup rates. Choose from the available numbers and confirm. If your client already has a Twilio number they'd like to use, choose the option labeled Set up an existing Twilio number. Ava will prompt you to enter three details: the Twilio phone number, the account SID, and the auth token. To find these, sign into the client's Twilio account and head to the main dashboard. In the center of the screen, look for the account info box. The account SID is listed right at the top. Just below that is the auth token, which you'll need to click Show to reveal. Once you've entered those credentials in Ava, the number will be fully usable across the platform. You'll be able to assign it to inbound agents or use it in outbound campaigns, just like any native Ava number. For inbound agents, phone number assignment happens during the agent creation process. Ava will prompt you to select a number before you can move forward. If the number is already in use, Ava will let you know so you can choose another. If you ever need to change it later, just go to the client's agent's configuration screen. At the bottom of the page, you will find a settings button next to the number you initially chose. In the settings menu, you will encounter a side panel similar to the agent creation one with the same associated phone number field to configure, or in this case, reconfigure the phone number you want the calls to be received at. For outbound projects, open the campaign view inside one of your projects. As a reminder, that means going into one of your outbound projects and scrolling down to the list of campaigns associated to that project. Selecting one of those campaigns takes you to its configurations. Inside the selected campaign, click the settings icon in the top left. A side panel with the campaign settings will pop up, and inside it you will find a call settings section. Choose the number you want to use by selecting it inside the phone number to call from field. You can reuse the same number across multiple outbound campaigns, or even assign it to both inbound and outbound purposes. Just keep in mind, inbound agents must each have their own unique number. Two inbound agents can't share the same line. Before going live, always check the quality of your phone number. Look it up on RoboKiller, Should I Answer, or run a quoted search in Google to see if it's been flagged as spam. If it is, replace it right away. Using flagged numbers can tank your pickup rates and seriously damage your campaign performance. We also run internal checks to help flag numbers with poor reputations, but we still recommend agencies do the same for their clients. Use the resources mentioned here and make it a regular practice, especially if you're working with high-volume outbound campaigns. It's a small step that protects your results. If your client wants to keep using their existing lead connector number for incoming calls, you can forward that number directly to Ava. Start by logging into Go High Level and heading to Settings. In the side panel, click Phone Numbers, then find the lead connector number you want to forward. Click the three-dot menu next to the number and choose Edit Configuration. In the pop-up menu, enter your client's Ava number in the Forward Calls To field. Be sure to include the full number with the country code. Once that's done, save the configurations. Now, back in the phone number management screen, look to the top of the screen and open the Advanced Settings tab. Under the inbound call section, disable both options: forward calls to business phone number and ring user assigned to called number. This prevents Go High Level from overriding your forwarding settings. If those toggles are left on, the call might get routed to a user inbox or another fallback number instead of reaching Ava. Turning them off ensures every call goes straight to your client's Ava agent with no detours. Save your changes and test the number by calling it. If everything is set up correctly, the call will now be routed to your client's Ava agent. If your client needs to make or receive calls outside the US or Canada, they'll need to purchase a Twilio number for that region, enable international calling, and import it into Ava just like any other number. Once imported, it works exactly the same as any other number in your client's setup. So now you have set up your client's phone number. Once you've got the right number in place, assigned it to your client's agents and campaigns, and updated GHL to match, your client's system is ready to start making and receiving calls. If you get stuck, visit help.thinkrr.ai or reach out to us at hello@thinkrr.ai. Thanks for watching.